how Elon Musk saved Tesla and SpaceX.
Crazy financial recession, like the Great Recession. The Tesla financing round have fallen apart because it's pretty hard to raise money for a startup car company if GM and Chrysler are going bankrupt.
It's partly for the upside.
Yeah, that was a tricky one. Unfortunately, at the end of 2008, the fourth launch, that was the last launch we had money for, worked for SpaceX, and then we closed the Tesla financing round, as you know, Christmas Eve 2008, last hour of the last day that it was possible.
Yeah, and thanks to you. For those who don't know, it's the most extraordinary act of entrepreneurial zeal and commitment I've ever seen, where Elon personally saved Tesla in those hours, like when no one else would write a check. He spoke for it all, and that flipped the mentality from fear to greed, and everyone joined the bandwagon, and everything changed from,